I'm David Jones in San Rafael, California. I'm here to talk today about remodeling done by Green Bay Remodeling Inc. They took my 30-year-old bathroom and changed it over to a modern bathroom, which I really love. What I really like about the modeling is the quartz top and the new vanity, but I especially love the shower. We changed over to a walk-in shower with all new tile, and it's just beautiful. The process was really smooth. They were very respectful of my house. They were very professional. They actually did a lot of work up front with me in selecting design and showed me a lot of different options so I could pick actually what I want for the space. The unique thing about Green Bay was their up design work and the 3D modeling in the space, which I didn't see with other contractors I spoke with, and also enjoyed the prospect of having the same project manager throughout. When the electrical system was upgraded, the air conditioning for some reason didn't work, and basically they said, well, since it's very hot, we'll actually put you in a hotel for the night until we get it solved. And that to me demonstrated their ability to go the extra mile. My experience with Green Bay was excellent, and I definitely would do another job with them, and I would recommend them to anybody.